Hi everybody, it's Sue. Thank you for watching Stellar Statements. This video comes to you live from the Plants In-Vitro Theory and Practice Conference that takes place today, the 9th of February, in Vienna, Austria, simultaneously with the Astrophysics of Planetary Habitability Conference that I attended yesterday. The two seminars run side by side this week for several days. Today's conference is organized by Vienna's International Science Conferences and Events Association, or the VISCEA. The conference will touch on the topics and disciplines of biology, microbiology, and molecular biology. You may ask, why is an amateur astrophysicist attending a conference for plant in vitro theory and practice? Allow me to explain. Often there is a reciprocal relationship between the Geks and I during many of my neuronic transferences. To better understand one another's thought processes, at their request, I often do research or further my education for certain topics, and so feed the newly acquired information back to the Geks telepathically. This has been the case on several occasions. For example, they requested that I attend a migration and development conference after their curiosities had piqued to learn the reasoning behind human emigration, etc. The Geks simply could not understand why any being would willingly leave its homeland. As on Planet Gek, the citizens live in a somewhat utopian state of political geography and global concurrence. And so, during that occasion, a better understanding of migration, economic development, remittances, psychology of migrants and refugees, and internal and international migration dynamics was established by myself and the Geks. Getting back to today's conference though, plant cell and tissue cultures in vitro is a collection of techniques used to maintain or grow plant cells, tissues, or organs under sterile conditions on a nutrient culture. Plant cells cultured in vitro are able to regenerate into complete fertile plants under the appropriate cultures and environmental conditions. With plant cells being totipotent, in vitro is not only a great tool for basic botanical research, but has also direct commercial importance in mass propagation and genetic transformation. This conference will see discussion of a wide range of modern in vitro culture technologies, fundamentals of plant cell totipotency, and practical applications of in vitro technologies for crop improvements. The Geks tell me that this information will be of utmost importance in the coming months. Attending the conference provides myself, and so too the Geks, with fresh perspectives and better understanding of this subject. In one of my recent neuronic transferences, the Geks constructively advised that I attend this conference so as to pay close attention to the study of in vitro plants for near future preservations and cultivations. The Geks often are not very extensive in communicating with me on the subject of my needs for building a plethora of knowledge. It is easy to hypothesize, though, that the Geks simply advise me to prepare for the difficulties that they have mentioned I will indubitably face in 2017. After over a decade of communicating with the Geks, it is plain for me to see that they do not struggle with human or mankind disunities or indifferences. They are a far superior race of beings that exist on a much higher plane of life standards and thought processes. It is from their communicative approach that I deduce that they are a quote-unquote matter-of-fact race, with no true discernment of subordinate human emotion. I must admit that sometimes it can feel like I am their simple science experiment. I appreciate you all stopping by, and thank you all for watching. God bless.